Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Stratos token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Stratos is the next generation of decentralized data mesh that provides scalable, reliable, self-balanced storage, database and computation network. Stratos is born for scaling blockchain process capacity while retaining the decentralized benefits of a distribution protocol, including trustless, traceability, verifiability, privacy, and etc. Stratos is best positioned to support data storage and adoption for developers and users in the ever-expanding digital economy. Stratos strives to make decentralized data adoption easier for the blockchain industry and Web3. Stratos project institution rating is 3.7. Stratos token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 38.8 million STOS token. STOS token is listed on Gate.io, S&EX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.